Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to find deleted apps on your iPhone. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and launch the App Store. Once we've done this, you should see a profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and we're going to click on that. Next, you're going to see purchased, and once you click on purchase, you're going to see a list of all the apps that you've bought or you've installed for free. So as you can see, there are two options, all and not on this device. If you should click on all, you would see apps that were currently installed and you've deleted them, and the ones that are currently installed. And if you should click on not on this phone, you would see a list of all the apps that were once installed on your phone but you've deleted them. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you like this video, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.